In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mailchimp to your Wix account for seamless integration and easy data synchronization. Whether you're looking to streamline your marketing strategies or keep all your contacts organized, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you're set up and ready in no time. To begin, head over to the Mailchimp for Wix page on Mailchimp's site. This is where you'll start the connection process. Look for the Connect button, which you'll find prominently displayed. Clicking on this will prompt a pop-up modal that guides you through the initial steps. Simply hit Continue on this pop-up to move forward. Now, it's important to make sure you're properly logged into your Wix account. If you aren't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your login credentials now, or take a moment to create an account if you don't already have one. As you proceed, you'll encounter a connection prompt that will request your authorization for a number of permissions required for the integration. Once you've reviewed and authorized these permissions, click Continue. At this point, you'll be prompted to connect your Mailchimp account. If you're already logged into Mailchimp, this will be a seamless step. However, if you haven't logged into Mailchimp yet, you'll need to do so. Once you're logged in, your Mailchimp account should link to your Wix account without any hitches. Next comes the crucial step of determining which types of contacts or data you wish to import from Wix to Mailchimp. This could range from email addresses to more detailed contact information depending on your needs. Make sure to save your selections here, as this ensures you're only migrating the information that's relevant to your marketing efforts. Following this, you'll need to map your fields. This is essentially aligning which data from Wix corresponds to which fields in your Mailchimp audience. It's a good idea to spend a little extra time here to ensure accuracy, as mapping these correctly will help maintain the integrity of your data. Once satisfied with your mappings, hit Save to lock in your configuration. Finally, the last step is to click Sync Now. This action initiates the actual syncing process between your Wix and Mailchimp accounts. You should see your data starting to sync across the platforms, rendering your integration complete. With all these steps thoroughly followed, you are now ready to utilize the robust email marketing tools within Mailchimp, fully supported by the data from your Wix account. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to integrate Mailchimp with your Wix account. By following these steps, you're setting up a powerful synergy between your website platform and email marketing efforts, aimed at driving better engagement and more effective communication with your audience.